You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word once and for all correctly from French and what it means. If you want to learn more French, more vocabulary, more pronunciation, stay tuned. I've got many more videos for you. I'll link to a few for you at the end of this video. It's pronounced in French, the French pronunciation. Nouvelle. This is an adjective meaning new, the feminine version, as in nouvelle maison, for example, a new house. Nouvelle. And now, if you want the plural with an S at the end, in French the S is silent. Nouvelle as well. In English, this word does exist, and it's pronounced nouvelle, nouvelle, stress on the second syllable. In English, with an S, nouvelles, but in French, nouvelle, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.